This video is brought to you by dbrand.
Show's gonna start in 15 minutes and we've got people with an anxiety here already. It is Wednesday, February 20th, 2019. It is about that time for another Samsung Galaxy Unpacked. It's Galaxy S10, and one of the main reasons why we flew all the way over here is because we know Samsung. We know there is more inside, so stay tuned.
With the Galaxy Fold, you get a powerful smartphone and a revolutionary tablet, all in a single premium package. When it's folded, it has a 4.6-inch display. It's compact and perfectly portable. But when the device opens up, your world does too.
S10 family for now as we take a look at them and ask the question, who could they be for?
Look at this guy, fully in character. All right, so the event is over. The Experience Center is open. Our Galaxy S10 hands-on is live, but the problem is we don't have the Galaxy Fold, we don't have the wearables. Let's see what we can get from that. All right, this product experience area is crazy. There's a lot of people here. There's actually a line to get in. Good thing our hands-on video is already live. I already heard the Galaxy Fold is not here. We were able to spend some time with the Galaxy Watch Active. Looks really nice. I find it interesting that they got rid of the rotating bezel, but then it looks so slim and so light. It looks really, really nice. Hopefully I'll get a review unit of that soon. Let's go get a device.
And Jaime is now recording me recording this unboxing.
Everyone, Samsung Galaxy Unpacked is over and we have a unit. Let's get to work.
Unpacked 2019 is officially over, which means we get to unpack the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, before we get to that, we just want to give a quick shout out, a quick thank you to Mr. Enabang Ete, Mr. Bored at Work himself, for letting us use his venue, his space rather, in order to do this unboxing. And also a shout out to dbrand for sponsoring this video.
So, what do you think? We got the same color this time.
Pretty sure we did.
You don't get that purple.
Okay, quick thing. I loved the purple when I got it. Now, I'm happy we got the different color.
Everybody wanted to get this white model.
Mm-hmm, for sure.
You need?
No, I'm already peeling off that tape.
All right.
Don't need any knives.
I apologize.
And all right.
Oh my God! Look at the plastic. So the plastic is like that, the one that we saw for in Hawaii. You remember that Galaxy phone?
Oh,
that
yeah.
5G Galaxy phone?
Exactly.
So it's like that cut out at the top?
Everyone was trying to get that picture. Yes. There you go. And then the reveal. Okay, yeah, same color. Perfectly fine by me. This is a good looking color. There's a bit of a...
Oh my God. Am I the only one that's disappointed that the accessories are white again?
No, not really. I like the way...
I like the black accessories.
Fair, but they would clash with this. High contrast.
All right.
Also, if you look at this sort of in the light, there's a blue...
I love this color.
You like that?
I really wanted this color. It's going to be a nightmare to film, by the way. Just the contrast of the white is a nightmare to get on camera, but all right, do the honors?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh,
Wow. Okay. I'm just gonna go and put that on. Don't worry, I'll pick it up later. Oh, the other side. If I can find the portion. No, you're ahead of me.
sorry. I am faster.
And there it is. I'm already pretty happy with what I'm like checking out here. Like I'm already, as a creative, I'm super excited to use this as a vlogging device. Granted, Adobe Premiere Rush CC is not in the Play Store yet, so it's gonna take a bit.
Okay.
But just using the wide angle as the well, you have the main shooter, which is great, but the wide angle is such.
And then they're
great
doing the
addition.
whole action cam thing. I
True.
actually want to try using this without a gimbal. See how it is.
I wish that it was on the front. There's still video stabilization, but I don't think it's that super steady.
There's only one way to find out, my friend. Let's see what else is inside. We've got wall adapter. They say that this is a faster charging. Oh, look.
Does it say?
It just says adaptive fast charging.
Oh, okay.
It says 2.0, but
2.0.
but it's Samsung's version of 2.0.
And that's a USB-A port.
It's a USB-A port, yeah, but it's matte. Look at that, it's not shiny anymore.
I'm finally gonna.
All right, so we've got
You get on
USB to OTG. Oh, and it's also matte. Like, okay, fine. So accessories being matte is not bad.
Cable. I'm looking at these headphones, man.
Go for it. Go for it. I'm looking at the USB-C to USB-A, sadly.
Ooh.
All right, these are nice.
Yeah, they're textured. Oh, the cable's braided and the earphones are textured. They got that matted feel.
That's gonna get so dirty.
Oh yeah.
Oh my
But that's
God.
fine by me. I don't mind.
Oh, because,
Inner earbuds. These are great.
yeah, these are nice, definitely.
These are going to be high quality. These are definitely the ones that I'll use.
Only one way to find out. How about if we have a look at the Galaxy Buds?
Yes. Oh, yeah. Speaking of, that's a great little segue there.
Do it.
All right, here we go. Oh, this one I need to. Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Where are my keys?
No,
Back
I
here.
refuse to.
Oh, sorry.
Ah-ha-ha.
I know this is Sparta.
Mr. Fingernail over here. Yes.
I don't. I
So
cut my
I love my truly wireless earbuds. I actually recently bought another pair, and then this happened today.
So I was complaining that we got the white ones, but now that we got a white phone, and that it wirelessly charges, that actually doesn't look so bad.
We need some symmetry there.
All right.
This is a small case.
It is a small case.
Sound by AKG.
Oh, they're inside. I thought they were here in the... So I was looking at David Amell. By the way, watch Android Authority's unboxing on Instagram. I actually assisted in the unboxing. Dude, the pairing process is immediate.
These do look good. They look a lot like the Icon X's, which thank God the branding is different now. It's Galaxy
Yes,
Buds.
yeah.
And it's a really small case. I'm really impressed with this.
Look at the wings are smaller. One of the things that I didn't like about those Icon X 2018 was they were tight in the feel.
Hold on. These wings come off, don't they?
They should. There are extra wings.
Oh
in
yeah,
there.
they do. They do come off. That's nice.
Yeah, there are extra wings in the box, extra buds, and you get another USB-C cable in the box as well. So, what do you think? First impressions, unpacked, everything.
Unpacked was nice. I thought the presentation was great. I mean, they've really hit a stride with their presentations. I will actually say that the experience zone was awesome. They had so many devices in there, so no one had.
Dude,
to-
and that's the thing. Like Galaxy F. I was like, okay, before the announcement, I could not care less about it. Now I really want one.
because of the thought they put into it.
Yeah, the design actually looks really cool.
Anyway, back to the S10. Why don't we power up together?
Let's do that.
Boom. Ah, in sync we are.
Indeed. But anyway, so far the experience has been fantastic. Before we end this video, here's a note from our sponsor that's making this content possible.
Our Samsung Galaxy S10 coverage is made possible by Dbrand. If you want to avoid those fingerprint smudges and pimp out your new Galaxy S10 Plus, Dbrand's new Swarm skin is fantastic. And of course, that's just one of the many options they have available to cater to your taste. There's 20% off all skins for the next 48 hours, so follow the link in the description below to learn more.
Thank you everyone so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what you would like to test, what comparisons you're expecting. Obviously, we've got a long coverage coming up. And while you're at it, make sure you follow us on social media. Subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow us on social media as well. Our information is going to be in the description. We will see you with more information very soon.
See you from Barcelona, everybody.